how to grow your YouTube channel using the Sunny system. Hello and welcome to zazoome. I'm Sheri Barbera, and based on a question by Tasha, how to drive traffic to my channel organically. And this is what Sunny is awesome at. She has her own YouTube channel called The Sunny Show. And she started her channel in 2009. However, it really wasn't until about 5 years ago that she started using her channel constantly to help her clients with questions that they were asking on a regular, consistent basis, the same questions over and over again. When that happened, she realized that the smartest way for her to answer those questions was to make videos. One video done and you answer 50 people. How smart is that? She kept getting the same question over and over and over again by her clients. She started making video facts, right? FAQs, video facts. After doing this consistently for a year, she realized the way YouTube works is like a search engine, because it is a search engine. And it's the only platform, because she's on multiple platforms, but it's the only platform that delivers to her long-term, consistent, evergreen traffic for her business. And that is huge. What is the Sunny system? Well, it's a 3-tier system that drives more traffic and more views to your channel by the types of videos that you create. The 3 tiers are discover, learn, and purchase. So how do people discover you? How do people learn about you? And how do people purchase from you? So let's start with number 1. How do people discover you as a new channel, or as newbies to YouTube, or as someone trying to find an answer to something? Through search. And the videos that you create build awareness with what's called cold leads. A cold lead is literally just a person who doesn't really know anything about you. They just have a question that they need answered, right? And so many people do this on YouTube. They type in a question, they do a search, and all these videos come up, and they just choose the one that looks like it matches their question the best, or they choose the one that has the best thumbnail, or they choose the one that has the title closest to what they were requesting, or they like how somebody looks. You know, there are multiple reasons why people choose what they choose. They type in what are called long tail keyword topics. And a keyword is something like blue. That is a key word that you are looking for. But what do you mean by blue? Do you mean that you are looking for a beautiful photograph with a blue sky? Does it mean that you are looking for a handsome man with blue eyes? Does it mean that you are looking for a blue Ford convertible Mustang? What are you looking for that's blue? Well, the long tail keyword is the complete sentence that you're asking for. So that's what a long tail keyword is. What is the goal with this? Well, the goal is to get YouTube to show these cold leads your videos in search results. That is the goal. And these are broadly searched phrases. So the outcome, what do you want? Well, you want your videos to grab the attention and bring in as many viewers as possible. And what Sunny found out was that these are the videos that are the biggest source of views and subscribers to her channel. These videos feature beginner level, basic knowledge, solutions and answers to questions that are posed, something people want to achieve on a single topic, just one topic. These videos use end cards to suggest additional videos. And they also use end cards to suggest additional playlists in order to give you, the channel owner, the business YouTuber with a channel, more views and hopefully more subscribers. They are not a call to action. They are not a video for a hot lead, and they are not for someone who's ready to buy, because these people don't know you yet. They don't even know what you have to offer yet. So they're getting to know you by these videos that you've provided with an answer to a question that they have. They are for discovering who you are. They lead viewers into deeper content. They keep people on your channel, which YouTube loves and you love, because the more people are on your channel, the length of time people are on your channel, it means that they're looking at your content. They're either reading about you, or they're watching additional videos, or they're looking at playlists, whatever it is, it keeps people on your channel. What's great about that is it raises your watch time. Why does that matter? Well, if you want to become a YouTube partner, and of course, every YouTuber wants to become a YouTube partner in order to make money from the ads that are shown around your videos, you need 4,000 watch hours. Are different from views. A view is anything 36 seconds or more, but hours are true hours. So 4,000 hours of people watching your videos and 1,000 subscribers. Number 2, how do people learn about you? Well, this is call to action videos. Videos that build your brand and authority with hot leads. So now you've already started out with people getting to know about who you are by answering these broad questions, these beginner questions, these basic questions with basic knowledge. Now you're mid-level videos, and these videos are videos that have more in-depth information. When you do more in-depth information, now you're getting people to start to know you. Now you're getting people to start to be aware of your expertise, of all of the things that you know about, and you have the opportunity at the end of your videos to do a call to action, or even within your video, you can do a call to action. You can say to people in your video, you know, you have learned all of this stuff, but I also have for you for free a checklist for free for you, all the things that you need to remember for your YouTube channel, and it's free, and it's what is called a lead magnet. Even though you have a YouTube channel, even though you get subscribers, YouTube is the only one that has their email address. YouTube is the only one that contacts them directly. But what if something happens to your channel and you have tens of thousands of subscribers, or even 500 subscribers? Don't you want them on your own email list so that you can continue to contact them? And you do that with a lead magnet. Another thing you do is you get them to sign up for webinars. And webinars are so that you can give them more in-depth information to educate your audience on whatever offers you have, to build your email list, to do webinars and workshops. The outcome you want from this is to make that conversion path from just a cold lead, it's called, from just a person who comes to your channel, really doesn't know anything about you, and starts to become very interested in the videos that you're posting because they're answering more and more of their questions. And as you get more and more in depth with your answers, this is the second level, the mid-level, they are warming up to you as a person, to your company as a brand, to the authority and expertise that you yourself have and can provide for them. You're smoothing out the path to convert them into a purchase, and you've established your brand and your expertise. What is the result? Well, the result is that you get to build your email list, you get to build your brand and your authority, and now you have qualified, targeted leads for the things that you sell. How do you do this? You make mid-level videos with your expert knowledge, providing solutions and answers to the questions that people have, allowing them to achieve something. Now it's not just a solution and answer. Now it's getting them something that they really want very badly to achieve, and you're helping them to do that on one topic. The way that you do this is from your videos with your call to action, you send viewers to an opt-in page. Opt into my email list by getting this lead magnet. Opt into my webinar by registering on this page. You educate in a much deeper level. This is not for beginners. This is not for cold leads. This is not for views or subscribers, because as you get more and more in depth on the information that you're giving out, fewer people are going to be interested in that. Many people are interested in broad category information, but as you get more and more niched, this is where your leads start to get tighter and tighter and smaller, but hotter, more targeted, more qualified, better. So these are the people that really are interested in whatever it is that you can help them with. You're providing solutions for their problems, issues, or concerns. They're for them to learn about you. Off-site webinars and workshops, off-site lead magnets and email lists, in-depth education, a smaller audience with potential sales. Number 3, How do people purchase from you? You need to be super targeted. Videos that are topically specific and relevant, directly relevant to achieving the outcome of whatever your product or service provides, because that's what people want. They want to move from one point to another. They want to see progression. They want to see a change. They want it to be measurable. Your goal is sales. So the outcome would be you sell a course, you sell a membership, you sell group coaching or one-to-one coaching or a speaking engagement or a product sale. The result ultimately is unlimited income, unlimited influence, and unlimited impact. You do that with creating videos that are a call to action, sending people to a landing page to purchase a specific, very specific solution to their problems. These videos are specific to a topic, they link to a direct purchase, and the information is very precise and very targeted to help them. Because that's what it's all about, is that you want to help the people that are becoming excited and interested in the content that you're providing solutions and answers for. It's not for beginners, it's not for cold leads, and it's not for people who aren't ready to buy. It's for people who want to purchase from you, people with a purpose, people who are ready for a change, people who are ready for your product or service, people who want to move forward with their life in whatever direction you are helping them with, and people who want to learn in more depth. So what I mean by that is, let's say you offer a course, like I offer a YouTube masterclass. And at the end of the masterclass, you take the course, and then you've got all this knowledge, you've opened your YouTube channel, you've started making videos, you're getting views and subscribers, but now, don't you have a ton of questions? I don't know this, and I don't know how to do that, and I'm not sure what I should do about this, and how is this gonna happen, and what if that happens, and well, who's there to help you? And this is where providing a membership comes in so handy for the people who have gone through a course and now, yeah, they've learned a ton, but they need to implement it and they still need help. And so what we do, for example, with our membership is you take the masterclass and then we have the zazoome membership where we keep you moving forward. So it's really a perfect and a smart thing to do. To wrap it up, if you follow her 3 tiers, how do people discover you? How do people learn about you? How do people purchase from you? And her net worth is over $1 million. I'm Sheri Barbera. I am a Google certified YouTube channel growth trainer. This is zazoome for business YouTubers to boost your income, influence, and impact with YouTube. And finally, as always, just be you, believe in yourself, and create your YouTube channel because you are unique. There is no one like you. And YouTube is waiting for you to bring your expertise and your beautiful you to the people who desperately need you, but don't even know that you're there yet. Get yourself on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.